Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's a nice, wonderful day, and Jamie's out at the dentist getting her tooths looked at. And I thought I should go ahead and start recording our current project, which is organization of the garage. As most of you guys know, that my parents are getting ready to move down here, and they've already ordered all of their appliances and stuff that they want to upgrade. And who knows what else they're going to bring down. So what we want to do is go ahead and get the shop ready to house some of that stuff. This also goes for my twin brother, who hasn't. I'm not quite sure if he's going to move down here or not, but hopefully he does. So their stuff needs to go somewhere, and I don't know what's happening with the other house and all the other stuff. So the first thing we had to do is move Big Blue. It surprisingly fits quite nice in there. And then we'll go into the shop right now. So most of you guys know, or most of you guys have already seen our shop and stuff. And while we do have quite a bit of shelving and stuff, we don't like it. I think we can go a little bit higher with it. So what I got to do is clear all that and clear all that, so we can build the new stuff. And I guarantee you it's not going to be very fun. I'm really not quite sure what I want to do with all my old hardware and stuff, like fasteners and stuff like that. I could separate it, or I can ask Jamie just to get rid of it, start over, and make sure that it's organized this time around. We'll see about that. But it's a good idea. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. You guys can watch. Alrighty, we're back. It's a new day. I got reinforcement right here. All right, let's get back to it.
Well, I picked up bins yesterday, so we should have some organization while we're trying to organize. And then our lumber delivery just arrived, so I guess we need to get that in before, because it looks like it may rain today. I don't want our lumber to get all wet, so we got to get that moved in. So let's do that first, and then we'll tear it all apart. With the purpose. clean, so I guess now it is time for us to actually start building. Huh? Yeah, pretty much. It's like, why did we sweep all of this sawdust up? Aren't we gonna have to cut wood? Yes. So, but it's clean. Now we gotta make it dirty again by building some shelves. We don't really have a plan. We have somewhat of an idea, and we're just gonna hope for the best. So while I am just doing a time lapse of what we are doing, I'm going to try to explain what we really are doing to build this. We are really overbuilding it. We are using 2x6s for this entire build, and then the plywood we're using is 3/4 inch plywood. So this thing can hold a ton of weight. So the way that we planned it out was each shelf we were going to have the supports underneath. As you can see right here, we're screwing these in. These are actually the height of each shelf. That way, the actual shelf that we're building here can sit directly on those and help to distribute the weight straight to the ground instead of having it along the entire shelf. So we built the shelf with 3 supports inside of it, of course, with more 2x6s. And then when we raise it up onto the actual vertical pieces, it'll sit on those little pieces that we cut, and we'll keep cutting as we go up more supports, as you'll see later on.
Jamie's at the market right now, and so that just leaves me to get back to this stuff, and we'll see how much we can get done before she gets home.
So yesterday we had to go and get more wood. So we are on day 6,372,000 of this build. So hopefully we can get it knocked out today so we can start organizing sometime this week. We've got rain coming, so we can't really do anything outside. So we'll finish up this project and hopefully get everything nice and organized. So let's get this day started. Look at it straight on and it'll be perfectly fine.
Yeah, I think I know what it is. I don't think these two were perfectly, what do you call that?
Level, plumb,
circular. In line? I think that's what it was. Something's out of square.
Well, it doesn't help that the 2x6s weren't exactly like straight.
Nah.
And they were twisted and missing chunks and cracked. But I think we did pretty well for what we had.
Yeah.
So this project took a lot longer than we had originally planned for. We had a lot of distractions. And of course, we're still running a farm, so we still had to take care of animals, but we are officially done with part 1 of this project. Now we've got to go and get 22 more bins to put on here because I could only find 10 locally, so we'll have to go and get some at probably Home Depot or Lowe's, which means road trip. And then we get to go through the mess that is over there and organize everything. So,
I'm feeling sick.
oh, it's a good thing you got plenty of time to recover until tomorrow. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you guys in the next one after we take a nice long shower and bath.